6:15 in the morning. We're about to head out of Chub Cay.
Good morning, little chef. Welcome to the last day of working as a chef on a yacht. I shouldn't say my last day ever, but last day for this trip. We are heading back into Miami, and I am so excited to see all of my friends and family. At first light, we untied from the dock and got underway. We had 2 slips at this marina, one for the yacht and one for the tender. Brian is on the tender and he'll be following us out, so once we get to some open waters, we'll get him on the hook. That just means we'll attach the tow line to the tender. I always complain about having to wake up early, but once I see the sunrise, it's all worth it. We are about halfway through the trip, which means we're 5 hours in. And it was lunchtime, so I pulled out the shredded beef I made yesterday and all of the toppings to make tacos. The captain couldn't eat lunch with us right then because he was going to be going through 2 islands with very shallow waters and lots of reefs. He remained laser focused and used all of the tracking tools on the yacht to help him out. Once we passed through the islands and got to some open waters, he finally got to sit down and have some lunch. At this point, I have done all of my responsibilities, deep cleaned the galley, organized everything, so I am pretty bored right now. I'm so excited to get back home, so the time seems to be going super slow. I made sure all of my luggage was packed up, so that way when we get back in, I can hop right into the Uber to go home, and I also took a little nap. Once I see the ocean water turn from this beautiful blue color to a greenish color, I know we're back in the Miami area. We are about to get back into Key Biscayne, so that means we need to unhook the tender and Brian will hop on and follow us in. If you've enjoyed traveling along with me and watching me cook, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to learn more about cooking, I offer once a month live cooking classes. Once you become a Little Chef member, you'll have access to all previous cooking classes, future live cooking classes, and recipes. It's a hands-on cooking class. I send out the recipe a week before, you guys gather in the ingredients, and we cook together on live. So if you're interested in that, check the description below. That's a freaking iguana just chilling right there. Oh, I wish I could zoom in right now. It's a beautiful green iguana. Oh my gosh, there's like 5 in the yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally 6, 7, 8. I see 8 iguanas. Are you kidding me? Listen! We made it! Alright, we got the yellow flag, which means that we have not cleared customs yet to get back into the States. So Captain Mark is in there with our passports, doing that process. We just cleared customs. I'm a US citizen. Brian's got to change the yellow flag now. Where's the flag? Did you change it back to the US flag? No. No. I'd like to take a moment to thank each and every one of you little chefs. I am blessed with such an amazing opportunity to be able to share my passion with all of you. So thank you, little chef. Thank you for your support and all of your positive comments. You make this a very fun experience for me, and I appreciate you. I do this trip every year, so make sure to subscribe to follow along. Even though I love being a chef on a yacht, it also feels amazing to travel back home and be with family and friends. Over and out, little chef.